Hello, I'm in a 2015 Lincoln MKC, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll go down, and then this lever here, this will release the safety. If there's no loose or no tightness at all in this handle, you might need to check behind this plastic for any loose cables. But we'll go up to the front, and you should see the hood slightly loose now. Which point? Right here. There's a release lever, so we'll push and lift. So push and lift. And then fortunately it's got these little hydraulics here to hold it up. But this is that lever that I was pushing, which leads the line up here to this. So double check nothing's broken or loose that needs retightened or replaced. No debris that needs cleaned up. Might need to spray some WD-40 to loosen the system if needed. And then up here is where it was connected to. Again, make sure nothing's bent. Also double check your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could cause you issues as well. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.